Okay guys, so remember that we have seen tutorials on how to create our dishes, how to edit them, and now we're gonna have a tutorial on how to add extras, additional features on your dishes. This is important because maybe you do allow extra cheese on your burgers, for example, or extra meat, and that needs to be charged. So we're gonna go to my restaurant. We're gonna click right here. And we're gonna go to add extras right here. Okay, so here we don't have any additional features. We're gonna click on the plus sign. And we're gonna put either extra cheese, extra meat, and we're gonna put the price of our extra cheese and click save. And you're gonna see the success, additional feature added successfully. We're gonna click OK. And here you go, you're gonna see all the information. We're gonna add another one. Okay, also remember that for this feature, you can add all the extras for all your dishes on the menu. It doesn't have to be specifically for a single category. So let's okay, so we're going to click OK, and we can see extra cheese, extra meat. And for example, if you have, if you sell ice cream, we can also add extra peanuts. We enter the price and click save. And there you can keep adding and adding all the additional features that you offer for all your menu. Now let's add them to your dishes. Okay, so let's go to my restaurant. Here we're going to click on edit menu. Remember that we have other tutorials where we have seen how to create dishes, edit dishes. Right now we're gonna specifically see how to add the extras to each dish. We're gonna click on edit category and edit. This is the dish. Okay, so for example, our Hawaii burger that we have created, and that's on the other tutorial. And we're gonna scroll down. We're gonna here click on additional features, and you're gonna be able to see all the ones that you have added. So for our burger, we're gonna add the extra cheese and the extra meat. And you'll also see extra peanuts that we have created, but we won't select that for this specific dish since we don't require that for this one. And then we're just gonna click on save. So there you go, you have added the additional features, the extras. You know how to do that, and we will see briefly how you can see them on the screen. You're gonna select the Hawaii burger that we have upgraded, and you'll click on order, and if you scroll down, you're gonna be able to see the extra cheese, the extra meat, and select them. Okay, remember that we have the tutorials on how to take orders also. In this case, we're just showing you how to add the extras to each dish. And let's select one, add to order. And on your right side, you're going to be able to see the name of the dish, the price, quantity, the total with all the ingredients and the extra cheese. And there you go, guys. As easy as that. So now you have learned how to add extras to your dish, to all your menu. So keep subscribing to our channel so you can watch all the tutorials and you can use Meniuu correctly. Thank you, guys.